Alright, good morning everybody. We are the myMonte team, and today we're here to present to you the new CSUMB mobile app, myMonte, the University Hub. My name is Shabbat Alexander.
I'm Anthony Simkovic.
And I'm Joseph Lee. So what exactly motivated us to create the myMonte application? Well, as of right now, the only way for a CSUMB student to access student resources on the go, such as iLearn, our learning management system, is through the mobile website. This proves to become a huge problem, as viewing iLearn on the mobile website is both too complex and time-consuming. It takes 3 clicks to log in and 13 seconds to review a class. There has to be a much better way to do this.
This poor interaction equates to poor performance. CSUMB students are expected to interact with the iLearn learning management system nearly every day to view and submit assignments. This can be dangerous, as a recent study by Blackboard suggests that while student success and iLearn access time are correlated, there's evidence of declining grades with overuse. So more time spent on iLearn doesn't translate directly to better performance. What can we do about this?
So it's not what we can do about this, but it's what myMonte can do for the student population at CSUMB. We built a native Android application to improve upon and build upon the already existing online resources at CSUMB. Additionally, we built the application to improve upon student productivity. We're able to accomplish this by building out a push notification framework within the application so students are reminded when they have assignments due. In return, students get their working on time, and that equates to better grades. So now we're going to talk a little bit about our project approach and how we brought myMonte from concept to reality.
We sent out a survey to CSUMB students to collect the most popular iLearn features that they would like in a mobile app. Based on the data collected, we determined that students are most interested in automatic assignment reminders, reserving study rooms in the library, and a parking locator. We also have some positive feedback from our initial Facebook post. So let's take a look at the specs. myMonte is a native Android app with a simple user interface, persistent login with 2-factor authentication, automatic assignment reminders, the ability to add quick tasks, a parking locator, building navigation anywhere on campus, as well as the ability to reserve study rooms in the library. Whereas the old desktop iLearn experience had a cluttered UI and was not intuitive for students based on the data we collected. It took 3 clicks to log in and was missing all of the previously mentioned features.
So unfortunately, due to some laws that are in place, we couldn't get access into the current instance of iLearn, but that didn't deter our team from taking on the project. We just had to get a little more creative with our solution. So what our team decided to do is mimic the CSUMB technology stack, reverse engineer that technology stack, and incorporate an Android application with an API to connect 2 systems together to send data across.
So we started with just the Android app, but adapted the project along the way to include a cloud server to store data and a RESTful web service to send assignment reminders to devices.
So we talked about how we did things, but now let's take a look at the results visually through a quick demo. So imagine this, the day begins by the student opening up the myMonte application and signing in with the student credentials, single sign-on. From here, they will be taken to the My Planner screen, where they can begin planning out the rest of the day by viewing the upcoming assignments from within the calendar that are populated out. Oh, look, turns out we have a capsule presentation to do this right. Let's add that too. To do that, we press the Add button. Then we can specify a title and then a date, followed by the time that we want to be reminded for this specific event. Finally, from there, we would press the Save button. And from there, the task will be added to the to-do list. Now let's go ahead and book a study room. Here we can see all the available study rooms from within the library, and to simply reserve one, we press Available, and it will now be reserved for us. Next up, let's take a look where we last parked our car. To do so, we press the purple button, and it will take us there. Oh look, that's where we last parked our car. You can also get step-by-step directions to that car by pressing the blue button, and it will be brought up through a Google map. Looks like we parked kind of far today, actually. We can also quickly view our grades by pressing the View Course Grades tab that will be populated from within a window. 2 B's, 1 B, not too shabby, we do see so ourselves. Lastly, rest assured that the myMonte application also has your back in the case of an emergency by having the campus PD number readily available. There it is. Pretty cool, right?
So now we're going to talk a little bit about what's next with myMonte application. So currently we're working with CSUMB IT to get myMonte integrated into their production environment. With that being said, we're providing IT with documentation that we refer to as Monte Docs. So at any time, if they have any questions or need any clarification on what's going on under the hood of the application, they refer to the documentation that we provided for them. So this concludes our presentation. We'd like to give a shout out to our mentor and friend, James Andrew Kitis, who is here with us today, who is the Senior Lead Technologist for Digital Solutions at Booz Allen Hamilton. We'd also like to give a shout out to Paige Mohanasakis for love and support this semester. If you guys have any questions, feel free to stop by at our poster session today. Thank you.